glitter. I just want to show you how really beautiful and sparkle the glitter is.
Yep. It's just bling out. It's cute.
This is one of my satisfying parts when you're doing a glitter. Satisfying. My clients, they said, Nancy, can you put back a glitter bucket for me? Because it looks so dull. I said, wait a minute, it's going to be back nice again. And before I tear, I'm going to turn the hands over. Just upside down. I'm going to give it just a really quick top coat. Just make it even like more dramatic. Okay, so let me turn it. And either if you have gloves, then you can do this. If you're not, then using a piece of paper, okay? And cure for 60 seconds. Let me see the other hand. On this one, we're gonna do a little bit different. We're gonna do is, oh, forgot to put the matte top coat on. Can I get that one, Isabella? I'm sorry. I'm not using a matte top coat on this because we are going to do some.
For April's Jewel asked, what glitter is that?
This is a Touch of Color collection, April. This is a matte colors. So I'm gonna have it here at the same time with the glitter. Great, so here for 60 seconds, Isabella. Can I get that Touch of Colors? So fingernails. Just, I'm using that one, a collection I took. This one, this is one of
The 12.
one of the 12. So there's so many. I've been using a lot for my clients as well, and then do live videos, and it's still a lot. And even this guy I spills accidentally because I thought I have a leads on, but it's not. This one I really obsessed with this. And it's go with everything. There are a lot of different nails. Can I get the set of the purple one? No, take whole things here for me. No. Just take the whole thing for me. The cart. I have this. I want to show you this. This is the ones I did. And that is a Touch of Colors and with the Shiny Sky. You can do with any colors. You can do encapsulating, and you can do it encapsulating with the condensed glue gel and no web top, or you can do encapsulating with liquid gunpowder. So however you would like. Oh, this one is nice. Great. Nice and sparkle. You can put crystals on, but I think it looks great like this because the customer showed me. The little customer here was showing me that's what she wants. So that's what she wants. Okay, so I'm gonna using a pearly white. And when you do pearly whites, the only you need is a pearly white and then crystal clear. So this is just like a little bit of like a marble smoky look. And then this is really cool. It's tricky too because it's clear and it's pearly white, and it's really simple using this one. And basically you don't have to do anything much. Just if you want to be darker, just keep adding it more until you like, until you're satisfied with the look. Loved watching Sarah did the other day. She did the pearly whites, really cool.
Super cute bling nail said, it looks like milk.
Yeah, It's just like a soft white. It's not like obvious, like really, really. Let's do just more. And then I will just use a little bit of crystal clears and draw the veins you want. If you don't want, just leave it like this. And then we're just using a crystal clear. Basically, you don't need much. Wipe most of it off. Just basically, you just make your veins a little bit more obviously. Wipe it off on a piece of paper so then you won't not getting contaminating the white back into the clear bottle. And then you can do however you want it. And each of the marble look, it doesn't look exact identical the same. You continue to, you know, like play with this, and each time you're using just a little bit. You don't want to use so much of your crystal clear. That's it. And now, if you want to make it just a little bit more defined, you don't have to do so much. Just using, I am going to using this. Usually I'm doing it with the pot too. It's gel painting the white. But the reason I'm using it because if you don't have the tinted brush, which is a light brush, this is so awesome that it comes with the precision brush. So I'm just pick up just a little bit and give it just really, like I would say, soft line to make it more defined. It's not necessary, you have to, but I love the look. But if the clients just want to do like this, you can. There you go. Just a little bit, just a hint. You don't even have to blend it out because it's already that the pearly white already does the work for you. I'm gonna flash here for 30 seconds on this one. You can do this, 30 seconds. And I'm going to using a shimmer. If the client's in the theme of gold, you can using a golden touch. So a lot of you asking for golden touch is back into the stock right now. But this one I'm using is shimmering silver. And I have my tinted brush here. It's so pigmented. I just teal it. That's why it happened like that. But yeah, just a little. You don't need a whole lot. Just a little.
What happened?
Yeah, let me get it out.
You.
And if you just want to leave alone, totally fine. If you want to add just a little bit of your right there. I would not like do too much to take it away from a beautiful veins right there. Just a little hint, just a little bit. They're so pigmented, so even this silver looks so beautiful. Even I just get so light touch. Great, so now we're gonna cure it for 30 seconds. And then since I'm finished with that nails, you can see it's so simple, easy doing with the pearly white. And it's so soft, and you want to be the whites to be a little bit whiter. You can keep continue adding your whites on. If not, it's really soft, smoky. Like it doesn't have too much of, well, it's have really good pigmented, but then it doesn't make it's really hard for you to try to make it perfect. And it looks soft and it looks so natural looks.
Okay, Larva said, Isabella, can you tell your mom I love her and good night? Thanks.
Thank
Okay,
you,
Mommy,
Larvas.
Larvas loves you.
Thank you so much for tuning in, love. Have a good night, sweet dream. I'm definitely gonna see you tomorrow.
I'll be actually later tonight.
All right, so then here, since I have her nails here, I'm gonna pick just cute butterfly here.
Sharon Jomina said, where can I order your product and are you delivering to Holland?
Yes, so we do ship international. And so yes, what you want to do is you go out to our official website on www.glitzaccessoryandsuch.com.
Can you type it in for her?
Yes.
Just in
Oh,
case.
actually, let me put the other one.
Oh, this one is so cute. There you go. She can be right here. What did you get, Isabella, on that hand? It is so cute. That's what she wants. She just wants the pink one. And now, since we have this, I'm gonna do encapsulating.
Super
this.
cute bling nail said, oh, now he talking loud, LOL.
Back to whispering.
So now we're gonna do is just cap, just make sure you tap it down. And we're gonna cap this really nicely. Can you have, just flash key it for about 30 seconds in there, quick. There you go. Let me see this hand. Oh, I'm gonna do the Diamond Dust Pixie and then crystal placement on that. It's gonna be really cool. I have these colors right here. And this. And then our Diamond Dust Pixie, 2 cute bottles right here. I love it. So pink and white is one of our best sellings. I will show you how to do ombre with pink and white. It's so stunning. A lot of clients love that. All right, so I'm gonna do is just really thin coat of condensed glue gel. And I am going to cap it with a no white top coat. So this is gonna be it's capped and it's sealed completely. All right, Isabella, can you cue for 60 seconds?